Today I'm introducing the CNC 2.0 family. These are IP67 rated recessed fixtures, perfect for various ground, wall and ceiling installations. Power options include constant current and 24V, ranging from 2 to 6.5 W. They come in three sizes: 25, 35 and 50 millimeters. Customers can choose between round or square bezels to suit their needs. Lombardo offers various drivers: on-off, dimmable, 010V, Dali, plus housings and cables up to 20 meters. CNCs are made of anodized aluminum and 316L stainless steel with a glass diffuser. They're also available with honeycomb to reduce glare. Color options are gray, anthracite, corten, white rail 9010, and black. 4 color temps are offered: 4000K, 3000K, 2700K, and 2200K, perfect for any setting. The key feature of this product is its internal water stop or conversion board, which eases installation and prevents water from seeping up the cable into the product. Additionally, the conversion electronics have been updated for both 24-volt and constant current systems. A temperature control has been added to reduce power use in extreme conditions, keeping the product within its optimal operating range. A full resin version is available, where transparent resin encases the LED, improving heat dissipation and IP protection. This version comes with a 7-year LED circuit warranty, but note that optics aren't available in the full resin model.